Hello everyone. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. Second Sudoku in this fourth wave. Yes, it's coming. The lockdown because the numbers of infected people are increasing this week. So the fourth wave and the lockdown is coming. But first, we will solve this baby in today's newspaper of Wednesday, July the 14th, 2021. And this medium Sudoku will be a number 3093. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. And if you compare with this puzzle with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars in the additional with extra Sudokus, this will be a 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? How about the 5 in this column? 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And I cannot continue with the 5. How about the number? The number 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 6. Alright. So the 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 6, 7 is missing, 5, 7, and the 8. 5, 7, and 8 are missing in this row. 5, 7, and 8. We see here 5 and a 7 in this column. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. The 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 8. Alright. Then 1, 4, 6. Okay. 2, 3, 7. No. 2, 3. Let me think. 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 9. Oh, no. 7 in this column. 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. Yeah. 6, 5. I'm thinking. 4. Yeah. We have a pair. 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 9 could be here, could be there. Well, 4 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, we see here 4. No 4 here. The only place for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes. And there. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 in the 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Yes. Thing. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 6 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 3 and 6. 3 and 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. Yeah, we have 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 6 and 4. 6 and 4, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. The tip is find a row or a box with 2 boxes. Yes, because it's faster to solve. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 and a 6, 6, 7, 8 and a 9, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in the second column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 6 and the 8. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Okay, 6, 6. 3 is missing, 2 is missing in this big square, and an 8. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, and look, we have an 8 here, so no 8 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 8 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 6 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So now 1 box left in the third column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. Okay. 6, 6. Okay. 2 numbers left in the middle row. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes. And there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here 4. No 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Alright. 7, 9, and a 3. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 7. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. 9 and 2. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 2 should be there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Yes, faster than 50 minutes. Correct. So I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute. Yes, in a minute. See you. Bye bye for now.